back to my YouTube channel. So if you haven't subscribed as yet, please hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell in order to be notified. So guys, so today I'll be talking about how to be positive and who to surround yourself with. So as in my previous video, I stated that I was nominated for the leadership program where I did a video. So today's tips I will be giving from the lectures that I had from Yaeger in the leadership program. So how to be positive. The first thing you need to do is get rid of all the negative thoughts you have and the negative people in your life. To be positive, you need to remind yourself that your purpose, that you're here, what you want to accomplish. If you want to accomplish something, you shouldn't let any negative thoughts or negative energy come in the way. Otherwise, you will not fulfill what you want. But if you put positive thoughts, you will get positive outcome. So let's say you want to start a business, but in your head you're like, this not gonna work, that's not this, or just negative thoughts coming in, or your friends or parents, oh, your business not gonna succeed and things like that. You don't need that. You need people that gonna be, oh, okay, come, let me help you with this. Let's see, okay, this is gonna benefit you. People are in this area, this is trending, this is that. You need people that are gonna support you. And if you're gonna do something, go with a positive and an open mind. So if there's like any negative thoughts, you just get rid of it and overcome it. Without, like, if you say I can't do this, be like I will do this, and I can't do this, and try to get it done. So yeah, that's that. Be positive with it. And another thing that could help you to be positive, according to Yaeger, is for 15 minutes in the morning when you wake up, before you start anything, do a meditation for 15 minutes about positiveness. So you will talk about, so you're gonna sit down and you'll be like, I am strong, I can achieve this, I will do this. And you keep repeating things, positive things to yourself for 15 minutes, and that will help you be positive throughout the day, and it will mold your mind to be more positive, and you will achieve whatever you want. And surround yourself with people who support you. Don't surround with people who don't support you or isn't there for you and things like that. You want to be with people that help you to grow, and being around people, we tend to change how we behave and how we act. You don't want to be with such people that isn't strong-minded, positive, and doing the right things. If you're in a group of people that is doing the wrong things and is negative, we tend to change according to who we hang around with. So we need to hang around with people that is positive, doing good things and things like that in order to build ourselves. Because if you look at the youths today, and you notice when our personality and our behavior is molded and developed by who we associate ourselves with and how we associate ourselves with. So there are some people that are strong-minded and they might be in a bad group, but they know what is right and wrong for them, and within that group they will hang around with the people, but they will not get influenced by their actions. But there are some people who isn't that strong, they don't know what they want in life, they don't know what is happening and things like that. They are the ones that will be easily influenced into anything. So be careful with who you surround yourself with and how you surround yourself. So this is the end of my video. I hope you all will be able to benefit from some of these tips and to be more positive and take out all the negativity from your life. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell in order to be notified whenever I upload another video. See you next month.